5 seconds to go. Start. It is at this point of time that the firing started, comma, that is when PW1 was on the non-driver side. Stop. If this is considered true, comma, then PW1's testimony that he shielded himself behind the jonga falls into place, and he is certainly not in the direct line of firing. Stop. We have no hesitation in rejecting the contention of the appellants that PW1 is in the direct line of firing. Stop. It is not in dispute that PW1 is on the non-driver side of the vehicle, and when the firing began from Nasim's gun shop, which is in the south side of the jonga. Stop. In fact, comma, this submission is speculative, as the complainant has not even indicated in the FIR that he was on the driver's side of the jonga during the first instance. Stop. PW1's testimony is clearly in consonance with the statement in the FIR. Stop. It is surprising that trial court has rejected the very presence of PW1 on the scene of the offence on the basis of a hypothetical argument, comma, and the High Court was justified in interfering with such a finding. Stop. Para. Insofar as the second incident is concerned, comma, appellants contend that, comma, when deceased Rajesh stepped out of the jonga after turning the same towards the hospital to fire back at the appellants, comma, he was hit by several bullets, comma, PW1 could not have escaped with just one bullet shot. Stop. This, comma, according to the appellants, comma, it's so improbable that his presence is falsified. Stop. In fact, comma, the trial court accepted this submission. Stop. We have examined this submission in detail and have found it to be incorrect for the following reasons. Stop. Para. Many bullet marks found on the jonga. Stop. Further, comma, the inspection report prepared by PW4 on 25th February 2002 also mentions about the existence of multiple bullet marks on the jonga. Stop. This is also the version of PW1. Stop. Para. Even the investigating officer, comma, PW12, who prepared the seizure memo of the jonga, comma, found 12 blank cartridges on the spot along with samples of the broken front glass of the jonga. Stop. Para. It is in the context of the above referred evidence that we need to look at the testimony of PW1 about which the appellants have argued as if he supports their case. Stop. The following extraction from his testimony makes it clear that this submission has no ground to stand. Stop. Para. I do not remember the number of hole, comma, I had seen at that time. Stop. I had seen only one hole in the glass windshield. Stop. I did not notice the hole on other parts of the body of the vehicle. Stop. It is incorrect to suggest that there might not be any other gunshot hole in the vehicle except one on the glass windshield. Stop. Para. On an overall examination of the testimonies and the documentary evidence on record, comma, it is evident that the jonga had multiple bullet holes on different parts. Stop. The contention that only one bullet hole was found on the windscreen is to be rejected, comma, and we have no hesitation in holding that the conclusion drawn by the trial court that there was no indiscriminate firing is based on the misreading of the evidence. Stop. We are also of the opinion that this is a substantial and compelling reason for the High Court to interfere with the judgment of the trial court. Stop.